Hey there, hackers! Guess who is coming to you real soon? That's right, it's Haiku R1 Beta 2. So what's new? This whole fantastical story started a long time ago when we were in Easter 2020. Can you remember that time? I sure can't. Okay, so this starts with a whole meeting, a bug hunt, Easter egg hunt status meeting and everything like that. And Waddle Splash noted that he had prepared a timeline for R1 Beta 2. This is very important because we've been stuck with R1 Beta 1 now since about, 2018. Let's see what might be coming our way. The official timeline starts off with 26th of April to the 2nd of May. What is the big thing? Last minute scramble. Get stuff together. No more big issue, no more big line items. We're not going to be focusing on having, really big changes being added. Don't commit risky stuff. Then, when we come to the 3rd of May, they actually start doing kind of the managerial GitHub stuff with it. And that goes with branching the repo to R1 Beta 2, and also making sure that this time they have the Haiku ports done similarly, because, apparently last time I guess it didn't work out. So once they go through with that, then they come to the point of extreme testing. And that's going to be 2 weeks of that, from the 3rd of May to the 16th of May. They're going to be generating all the test images that are needed, all hands on deck. Then you have the 17th of May through the 23rd of May. 1 week to get the goods. This is where that they get everything official. This is where they have the release image done, and this is where they do more testing. And they also have like a draft page. 24th of May to the 31st of May. This is where we get our official release. Finally. They'll be having the torrents in this time. They'll be having everything ready to go. And they have a window instead of an exact date, so that way, just in case if there's any little minor hiccups along the way. So where is this in the grand scheme of things? Roadmap time. From R1 Beta 2, we are 98% done. 7 months late, technically. And then from there, we have until 2021. 10 months from now, officially, February 27th at 11 p.m. in 2021. That will be R1 Beta 3. And this, my friends, is going to be the last beta before we jump into R1, which we're 88% of the way through on with Beta 2 pretty much. And it's just essentially a fully working system that can officially replace BOS R5 later. So that's all that we got going on for Haiku. So thanks for watching, and Hatty Hacking.